This is the inlet hose. This is outlet P hard hose. Now we install the bottom valve. First, put in the nut. Snap. Tip. The bottom valve is installed successfully. Now to connect to the pump inlet. The bag is equipped with 2 nuts, 2 snaps, 2 tips, and an exhaust valve. It's the same order as installing the bottom valve. Then connect them together. This is injection valve, which is installed at the far end of the hard pipe. It's all in the same order as installing the bottom valve. Then connect it to the pump. There's also an exhaust valve tucked into the side. H-series pump installation is complete.